Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel NasraTajNotSoPerfect. I hope you are doing well and life is good. Life is precious and you are worthy of this life. And life is worthy of you. In this video, I am going to share a broken candle pot which I recreated and turned it into a beautiful new pot. I think it relates to our lives. We break down and we have to pick up our pieces, put them together again, and carry on with life. Life doesn't stop, life goes on. In the same way, we can mend pieces of our lives and mend the broken pieces of glass. This is a broken candle pot which fell off my shelf, and I was very disappointed because it was a beautiful pot and I was simply not going to throw it away. It's a kind of a DIY project. Do it yourself. For this project, I have used some crushed glass pieces and a tube of glue. Very simple, very easy, which can turn it into a beautiful new pot again. I have used crushed glass. You can use beads, or you can even wrap a beautiful piece of lace on the edges. It's a very relaxing process. When I'm doing this, I feel very calm, very relaxed, and my time is well spent. You just need to apply a bit of glue on the edges and then start attaching the crushed glass or the beads, whatever you're using, on that area where you have applied the glue. I pick up, in fact, a bunch of pieces and just drop them on that area, and they start getting attached to it. This glue is very nice because it doesn't dry very quickly, like straight away, and it does not like stay very hard. It's a soft glue, so it's very easy to attach these pieces of glass and keep adjusting them. You might have to use glue in the areas where you think the glass was not attached properly. You apply the glue again and pick up some more pieces and put them where you think they are required. That's what exactly I'm doing here. I apply glue on a very small area so that it's easy to attach the glass, glue to it, and not make a mess. Usually there is no mess because you have applied glue to a very small area and the glass is going to stick only to that part. I don't know if I can explain this properly, but somehow I always relate these kind of projects to our lives. We break down, we have our own struggles, but we still have to pick up our pieces, put them together, and carry on with our lives. It's a Japanese art of fixing broken pottery. They add gold to it, so the gold can be seen where the two parts are joined together, and it turns into a beautiful thing. Since I don't have gold to use here, but at least I have this, whatever is available to me, I can use that and turn my pieces into new pieces, and they look beautiful. In the same way, if we break down, you can't let yourself be lying on the floor like a broken piece of glass. Glass cannot be remade or mended, but we can mend our lives. We can pick up the pieces of our lives and put them together again. I hope you like this. It's almost done. I'm going to wait for a few minutes so that the glue dries up, and then I lit the candle. For me, it's beautiful because I don't look for perfection. That's what my channel is about. Not so perfect. I find this pretty. It didn't go waste. And it's going to be a new pot for me. Just look at it. Isn't that pretty? For me it is. And I hope you find it pretty too. So I am going to put it back on the shelf and show it to you. How does it look? Isn't that nice? So light the candle of your life and let it be like this candle. Thank you so much for watching. You're nice, you're kind, and I'm here to show you the things that can be used again. I'll be bringing in some more projects to share with you, and I hope you will like, and we will build a community together. Thank you once again. Until the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.